All right, here we go, demonstrating a couple new things. So really just pushing the difficulty a little bit more. Pretty soon we're going to start getting rhythmic with with this eighth note triplet legato. And then before we get back into just pure speed stuff with the fretting hand. So breaking this thing down, you can do a bar at a time. 2 bars at a time is a really good idea because I feel like that's what the whole phrase is. Because we got, and you could use your middle finger to start this. I prefer, well, my hand and wrist prefer the ring finger, so I use a little bit different setup here. Yeah, but basically you hit that note on the B string up to the E string right away, hammer-ons, pull-offs, and then you like start the pattern again, but then you pause there and let that note ring out for the quarter note, and then you go the opposite way. So that's basically the pattern. And then you just move down in key and do the same thing, just the different notes, because we move down in key. And then make sure you're not leaving your fingers down to create a chord. Gotta keep changing that pressure on the fretting hand when you're changing the strings. Now, whether you end that with your ring, middle, I think, yeah, for you, I believe you do the whole step, pull step this way. Hit the last note with your index finger. I wouldn't jump that way. You could roll it, but I like to avoid rolling because I feel you have more control over the notes if you don't roll. So, it just seems cleaner that way. But all right, let's play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And good old 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, number 2. So this one, kind of a 2-bar pattern again. You can always break it up into 1 bar at a time, but the phrase is basically across 2 bars. So it's like we go up, start back down, but then go right back up. And then that's basically the phrase right there, or the pattern. And then we start that whole thing again. But instead of hammering on those last two notes, like we did here, we're just going to hang out on that note instead. Now, we're ending that phrase with the index finger, or the first finger. We got to begin the next one, or each phrase, with the same finger. So go ahead and cut that note off. This way you can jump the hand down. So it's okay. It doesn't have to ring out the full quarter note because, well, you got to use that same finger. Jump into the next string. I think a finger pattern I wanted to use, we'll say, finger-friendly shapes. So basically the first part you got the whole step stretch. The next part you have the half whole step stretch. And then you have the whole step, half step stretch. And then finish with the whole step again. So I really like those kind of shapes in here because they're fairly easy to remember and really all over the place. So yeah, I like to do stuff, just noodling around in those, making patterns with those. Anyway, let's get to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So, yeah, I know we got, well, only a couple days until Thursday, so I think unfortunately that week was kind of missed a bit. So take your time with this. Maybe just turn things in next time. If you want to send things in early just to make sure it's, or not early, send things in after a day or two. Just if you want to make sure things look okay, that's all right. But yeah, probably best turn it in after getting a full week's worth of this. So yeah, a lot of times, you know, the 12 p.m. Pacific time cutoff is like, I'll be away from the computer at that point, or else I'll just like close the inbox and I'm not looking at it until I finish whatever else I need to do. So yeah, the schedule is really, really busy, really crammed. So part of why the time is there, I think it's only happened a couple times, but yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, any questions, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.